thing that you will be doing every day is downloading your data. So how do we do that? Well, as with the instrument, start to start, stop to stop, we like to keep it straightforward. So there's a download button. Please press that. Now I have 29 measurements on here. To download a measurement, all I need to do is click the measurement that I wish to download, and we would recommend that you tick the box that says open after download. Once you've ticked it once, that will remain ticked, and that just puts your measurement onto the screen straight away instead of you looking for it in the database. So to download one measurement, highlight the one you wish to download. However, if you have taken our advice and used the Trojan2 with the 24-hour timer, you can highlight all of your measurements that you wish to download in blue, press download, and they will download them in date order. I shall just focus on downloading one measurement. I know audio has been recorded because I can see a tick there on the screen. That does not mean that one example of audio was recorded, just that audio was recorded. I can't imagine you'll ever be lucky enough to have one example of audio being recorded in the space of a day. You never know. Now we want to mark up our measurement. So here, where it says create place, this is your data. You can mark it up however you wish, but we would suggest putting the council name in the place. In the person, we would suggest putting your name, as in the officer that installed the equipment. And depending on how vain you are, you can put a picture there of yourself. And every report you ever produce, a little picture of you will be attached to it. Please let me know if you do that. I won't judge you. Project, we would suggest that you put the case reference number. You may wish to put the postcode of the property, but this is your data. However you wish to mark it up is correct. Ensure that that measurement is still highlighted in blue. We've already ticked open after download, and once you've ticked it once, it stays there permanently. All I need you to do now is press the button that says download. This part is entirely dependent on how fast your laptop is. It's now downloading the audio, so it'll download the time history first and then the audio. And here we have a measurement downloaded to NoiseTools. So what can we see here? Well, we have our filing cabinet down here on the left. In the middle, we have our measurements, and then down the side, we have our tabs, things you can do with your measurements. And that's all NoiseTools is. Filing cabinet, the measurement, things you can do with your measurement. But that's all you need it to be.